So these are the front lower control arms, split into two pieces. To look at them, I mean, this bushing ain't too bad, but it's starting to crack a little bit. This here too. It held up pretty good for almost being 25 years now. Crazy. But definitely these sway bar links, these are definitely done. They're all cracked. And as well as the mounting bushing for the bracket to hold the sway bar. This one was definitely done. It was in pieces. I'm surprised this one held well too, but it's about time to replace them anyways. So we got new sway bar mounting bushings, which will replace these clapped ones. Sway bar links. And then we have these shock mount bushings that go right here. And then this kit that replaces this and this. And I believe that's it.
So as you saw throughout this video, I replaced my old worn out and cracked OEM suspension bushings for some brand new energy suspension polyurethane bushings. I put these on because number one, when they go bad, they're way easier to replace than the OEM ones, although the OEM ones might last a little bit longer compared to these aftermarket ones. And two, these aftermarket ones supposedly is going to give you a more rigid ride type feel, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I replaced them, and as you can tell through the video, I kind of struggled. So if you don't want to struggle like me, get yourself a bearing press. But if you don't have one or don't plan on getting one, or just don't have access to one, it is very possible to make do and install these yourself with some additional tools, such as a ball joint installer / remover. I think that's what I use, and a couple other power tools. So yeah, you can make do. You're just gonna have to fight through it like me. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy it. All right, I'll see you on the next one.